All right, so today I'm going to be talking about how the heart works. So first of all, the blood enters the right side of the heart through two veins, the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. The superior vena cava collects blood from the upper half of the body. The inferior vena cava collects blood from the lower half of the body. Blood leaves the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava and enters the right atrium, which is right there. When the right atrium contracts, the blood goes through the tricuspid valve, which is that being pointed, and into the right ventricle. When the right ventricle contracts, blood is pumped through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary artery and into the lungs where it picks up oxygen. So why does it happen this way?
Bad.
Because blood returning from the body is poor in oxygen and needs to be full of oxygen before being returned to the body. So the right side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs first to pick up oxygen before going to the left side of the heart where it is returned to the body full of oxygen. Okay, so now blood now returns to the heart from the lungs by the way of the pulmonary veins and goes into the left atrium. When the left atrium contracts, blood travels through the mitral valve, also known as bicuspid, and into the left ventricle. The left ventricle is a very important chamber that pumps blood through the aortic valve and into the aorta. The aorta is the main artery of the body. It receives all the blood that the heart has pumped out and distributes it to the rest of the body. The left ventricle has a thicker muscle than any other heart chamber because it must pump blood to the rest of the body against much higher pressure in the general circulation or blood pressure. The end.
Hey.